Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to install and use the custom Captcha add-on in WPForms. All you need to do is hover on WPForms and click on add-ons. Now, from the list of various available add-ons, we need to search for a custom Captcha add-on. Simply click on install add-on. You can see the add-on has been activated now. To configure the add-on, what we need to do is we need to create a form. To do that, click on all forms. You can add the custom Captcha to the existing forms or can create a new form. I will click on add new to create a new form. You can give your form a name here. Select the template as per your choice. Now, to add a custom Captcha, you will find the field under Fancy Fields. This field is only available here as we activated the custom Captcha add-on. Now, I will drag and drop this field to the form builder area. Click on this field to configure this field's options. You can create two types of Captcha, one is maths and the other is question answers. You can simply use maths equations or can create questions as per your choice. In my case, I will ask the users to answer the question. Once selected, you can see additional settings. You can add multiple questions here. Let me customize the question. Here, you need to write the answer to the question. I will also edit the label name here. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Save button. Now, let's preview the form to check the changes. I will make a test entry here. Now, the user needs to enter the correct answer to the question to submit this form. You can see here, this is how the custom Captcha add-on works. So, this was all about how to use and install a custom Captcha add-on. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.